Quiz Platter. A platter full of knowledge. Who wrote the song Vande Mataram? Answer: B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. In which language was Vande Mataram originally written? Answer: C. Bengali. Vande Mataram was first published in which novel? Answer: A. Anandamath. When was Vande Mataram first sung at the Indian National Congress session? Answer: D. 1896. What is the meaning of Vande Mataram? Answer: C. I bow to the motherland. Who sang Vande Mataram in the 1952 film Anand Math? Answer: A. Lata Mangeshkar. How many verses are there in the original Vande Mataram? Answer: B. 6. In which year was Vande Mataram adopted as India's national song? Answer: A. 1950. Who translated Vande Mataram into English for international audiences? Answer: D. Sri Aurobindo. During which movement did Vande Mataram serve as a rallying cry? Answer: C. Swadeshi movement. Which group opposed singing Vande Mataram for religious reasons? Answer: B. Muslim groups. Who composed the first musical score for Vande Mataram? Answer: A. Pandit Jadunath Bhattacharya. Vande Mataram was originally a part of which cultural renaissance? Answer: D. Bengal Renaissance. What was a major reason for renewed debate on Vande Mataram in 2025? Answer: C. Removed verses. Who said in 2025 that the division of Vande Mataram led to partition? Answer: B. Amit Shah. Quiz Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.